Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your password on Inbox Dollars. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $5 sign up bonus. But if you already have an account, just open the website and you will see an option for Member Login. Click on Member Login. On the pop-up window, enter your email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper right side of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Account. Click on Account. Under Account Settings, you will see several tabs. Click on Change Password. Now, enter the required information. First, enter your old password. Next, enter your new password, and re-enter it again to confirm. After that, click on Save Changes. That's how you change your password on Inbox Dollars. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.